there, beautiful people! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jing, the Candid Filipina, and today I'll give you update again into my house. So we all move in here. It's a glimpse to the house, and we have a door already, but we don't have a windows yet. But everything is messy. Excuse me for the mess because it is everything was stuck in there because it's always rain at night time. So that's why. So it's pity that my dad not here yet. As you seen my last video and my first channel, and I gave the donation to my dad, and it's pity because today he's not here, so he ran some errands and also working today as it's even though it's Sunday, but I already gave him the donations, and thank you so much to all my subscribers and to those people who donate, and I'm very, very grateful forever. And it's really a big help for me, for my family, of course, for my parents and for my dad. I'm very grateful, and we are very grateful from the bottom of our heart. Thank you so much. And now we move in here finally, and everything is messy. Sorry about that because we still have a lot of things to do in the house, but little by little hopefully we can finish it and put some division and make bedroom. So as of now, because we're sleeping in one area only, so hopefully we can finish everything. So thank you so much. Thank you all for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye!